Unveiling the industry, the factory tour, explained. Hello, English enthusiasts. Today, we're going to uncover the meaning behind the phrase factory tour. It's a term you might come across in travel brochures, educational content, or when learning about how products are made. So, let's embark on a linguistic journey to understand this fascinating phrase. Remember, understanding such phrases can enrich your English vocabulary and help you in real-life conversations. A factory tour refers to a guided visit to a factory where visitors can observe the process of manufacturing goods. It's a real-time opportunity to see how everyday items are produced, from start to finish. It can be educational, insightful, and sometimes even entertaining. The term combines factory, meaning a place where goods are manufactured, and tour, which refers to a journey or trip around a place. Going on a factory tour can serve multiple purposes. For students and professionals, it's a chance to gain practical insights into their field of study or work. For tourists and the curious-minded, it's an opportunity to learn about local industries and crafts. Factory tours can also be a unique way to understand a country's industrial history and current technological advancements. When on a factory tour, you'll encounter specific vocabulary related to manufacturing, like assembly line, production process, and quality control. It's not just about seeing. It's about learning new terms that can be vital in a business context or for personal knowledge. Interested in experiencing a factory tour? They are often advertised on company websites, travel guides, or through educational institutions. Some factories may require advance booking, while others welcome walk-ins. It's a good idea to check the details before planning your visit. I hope this video demystifies the term factory tour for you and maybe even encourages you to participate in one. Factory tours are not just about the mechanical aspect. They are a doorway to understanding the intricacies of how things are made. Until our next linguistic adventure, keep exploring and learning. Happy learning!